How to fix YouTube playback issue on Mozilla Firefox. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix the YouTube playback issue in your Mozilla Firefox. So let's get started. First things first, just open up your Mozilla Firefox, and what you'll here want to do is go to your settings. Now you can go to your settings by tapping on the three lines on the top right, and there you will see settings right there. Tap on it, and here you go. So here, go to privacy and security. Now right here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to clear your cookies and caches. So here, go to cookies and site data here and go to clear data and tap on clear data and just clear everything up. So after you do so, your problem should get fixed. If it does not get fixed, the other problem that might be causing this is your extensions. So you can go to your extensions and remove all the extensions that you have on your Firefox. So after doing that, check if you have your problem fixed. If it's not fixed, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to About, column Config. And after you're here, you'll need to add some code. So I'll teach you guys and show you guys the code. Tap on Accept the Risk and Continue. Now here, what you'll need to do is just paste these right here. This is the first one. I'll leave this in the description box down below. So just copy this and paste it right here. So after you do that, you will see this right here. Now it's on true. So all you need to do is tap on this and make it false. Now do the same for the other code. Now let me bring that up again. So here, copy this and paste it right here. And again, there you go. Now just make this true to false. And after you do that, you can go back to your YouTube and this will basically fix your problem, guys. So this is how you fix your YouTube playback error on your Mozilla Firefox, guys. And thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.